Okay, so it's a new month, it's August, and I need to make some new bullet journal pages. And what I did for July was more like a fruit theme. And I forgot to do my monthly, weekly and daily chores with the post-it notes. So I'm not gonna put them in the new month because I noticed I just forgot to look at it, and well, it's kind of been busy here with the end of the school year for the kids now, so that's why I was busy doing other things. And I thought that I just forgot to put on the weekly menu sometimes, and well, it's not been used that much for this month. So let's go over and start the August bullet journal pages. So this is it for this month, and it's a short one because I didn't do the post-its for the monthly, weekly and daily chores. And for the month of August I liked the sunsets, and you can see the orange was kind of faded. And I bought new Crayola Super Tips, but there was not an orange in it, so I looked up at my kids' stuff. So I had 2 oranges, but they were, well, they're not full anymore, so I need to go over it one more time. And you can see the sunset coming through the other pages too. And well, here's the rain dump and the goals for this month, so I hope to fill that in if I have any. And I'm curious if you are doing a yearly bullet journal with monthly pages and if you are keeping it up. And well, I did in the beginning, I put in stuff which I am keeping track of. So here are my Bible reading things, and you can see I stranded at July 3rd, so I need to keep up with it, but sometimes I like it to read more than just one day worth of Bible reading stuff. And well, my crochet projects, I do not have many. And my books that I've read this year, and I am into a reading, well, thing, and I already missed one book. I don't know the title anymore, so that has to be in here, but I don't have the book anymore, so I'm just reading and I love it. And well, so this was just it for this month of August, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.